right, welcome back, peeps. It took about an hour and 10-15 minutes for me to update. One thing I always suggest to everybody is that you make sure you sync all your information up to the cloud. If you're using Samsung, which is one of the benefits, I make sure I sync everything up to the Samsung cloud, and then I can download everything, and my phone is pretty much exactly the way the other one was, so I don't have to start out from new. Also, sync with the Google Cloud, Google Drive, and that will restore that information, your calendar and so forth. One of the other benefits of using Google is with the photos, you get unlimited photos. You get a reduced quality, but it's unlimited. So all my pictures and videos are synced up to the cloud, and now when I update to a new phone, they'll be up there safe and sound. So if something happens to my phone, I know I'm always backed up, because that's the first thing, that goes. One of the other things I do, I slap a case on it right away. As soon as it comes out, I put a case on it. This is the case I'm using right now. I kind of like it because it's got this ring on the back. So I can put my finger in there and it turns. So always put a case. Always, if you don't do a screen protector, do a case, especially a phone like this. Now, first impressions. I would say that this one feels lighter. It definitely feels lighter than the 10, which is nice. When I turn on, this 120 screen refresh definitely feels different. Like, I can feel the difference on the screen. The screen is just more snappy. Now, here's a couple of things that I really like about the notes. So right here is a screen record. It's already built in. So I can just go right into the screen record. So you get your choice of just the media sounds, a media sounds and mic. So I'm gonna do media sounds and mic. And we're gonna do some screen recording now. All right, so now it's recording the screen and it's recording my voice at the same time. All right, so back to the first impressions. We've got that, we've got the snappy screen. The pen has moved over to the other side. This is the new pen. It's got air actions, so it's kind of like a Bluetooth remote control. One of the upgrades they did on this phone is the speed of which, and this is the first time trying it on a new one, and this is pretty good. Oh yeah, it feels nice. It feels like an actual, better than pen to paper. All right, so that's the pen. And the pen has a couple other features. So I can actually activate the camera with the pen and take a picture. You press and hold on the pen, loads up the camera, and then you press and that's it. So while we got the camera open, let me put away the pen now. So you got your standard camera, right? Yeah, with your different lenses. Zoom in. That's the standard one, and then this one comes out to a wider angle. So that's the camera. Now, what they have added to this one, last model, you had live focus video, which kind of blurred out everything in the background. And you can set that and then have something blurred. So, I don't know if y'all can see that on there, but the screen recorder should pick it up. So that leaves that nice and blurred, and everything in the back is blurred. All right. What they've added is Pro Video. And this is what I was really excited about, was Pro Video. Because as soon as I load up Pro Video, a couple things right away. You notice up here in the corner is audio. So this has different audio modes, almost like Filmic Pro, but I got my levels right here. So I can switch Omni microphone. I've got a front microphone. I've got a rear microphone. And here's a big one, USB. So the only thing I plug in, I got the headphone adapter, and now USB microphone is turned on. And here's my level right there. And it's got this haptic feedback, so when I'm clicking through the different ones, I can feel it vibrating. Little touches like that I like. And then I've got a Bluetooth on. So I have the option to actually record using Bluetooth headset, Bluetooth microphone, all kinds of different things. So that's just the microphone part. So this will record in 8K, 24. You get your choice. It now has a scope, so I can see what the balance is looking like, what my colors are looking like, make sure that I'm balanced correctly. So that is pretty darn good. So there we go. All right, that's the camera. Big update on the camera, the video. Now, one of the things that I did notice, there's no headphones. They give you no headphones with this. Like, there's none. Not even, there's no headphone jack, so they don't give you headphones now. So, I kind of figured with a phone like this, they would have gave you something, but nah. And that's pretty much it. I'm really happy with the phone. It's got a lot of different tools that I can't wait to use, and it's ready to go. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. You know, and I really appreciate y'all watching this and being one of my peeps. And remember, take care of each other. Peace out, and I'll see you all soon.